So, the axle to my rover met with a child-induced accident, snapped it clean in half. I need to make another one, so I've got here some 8 mil steel rod. Now, it needs indents put in for clips. However, I haven't got a lathe, but I do have a drill and a Dremel. So we've got a cutting wheel on the Dremel. We've got the rod in the chuck of the drill. In theory, if I have them both turned on at the same time, then move the drill closer to the Dremel, it should cut an indent. Wish me luck. And there we have it. A perfect indent.